Alright, got a couple things to unbox today. Got in some rims and some hubs. I got new pulley wheels for the Fuji. And I got a handlebar mount for the GoPro. So yeah, about to dig in. First we're going to open up the rims and hubs and see. I got the rims and the hubs from Bike Hub store. And me and my buddy Dave and Julian, we're gonna, build these up. And I'm gonna be the test rider. Go figure, right? Hope it all goes well. Hope I don't sprint and bust a couple spokes or something. Got the invoice packaging list. The whole entire thing came out to $203.82, including the shipping. So that's what it looks like in the box. These are just the rims. Yeah. The front is 24, the rear is gonna be 28. I mean, I'm not a big, heavy person, but I guess it was for stability or something like that, he said. It's stiffness, I should rather say. For greater stiffness. And these are probably the hubs. I'm about to put the camera down and open this up. The infamous blue. I love blue. I just hope these hubs are loud. I love the noise. So the front hub was bubble wrap, but the rear hub wasn't. I think that was a mistake right there. What's next? Probably this one. Yeah, I have the replacement pulley wheels. Got two sets, just in case. Once one go bad, automatically have the other. Pulley is that. And the GoPro handlebar mount. I'm gonna use this today. Try it a couple positions, see how it is. Should be fun using this. Alright guys, so that's what we got in today. Got the hubs, pulley, handlebar mount for the GoPro, and the rims. Pretty light. But then again, it's just a rim. Let's see how it feels when the hubs and spokes go in. Alright guys, thanks for watching.